What's going on, everybody? Taria Vision Avant here, and today marks day 3 of New Year, New You, the virtual conference. All I want to tell you is that day 1 and day 2 have been amazing. We have had speakers from all over the nation that have just been pouring into our attendees. We have thousands of people are registered, and guess what? You guys are going to have another incredible day. All you have to do is go to the live.newyearnewyouconference.com. We've given away flat screen TVs, we've given away microphones, all types of coaching programs, and we're giving away more today. But you must be registered. However, anybody is welcome to attend. Just go to live.newyearnewyouconference.com to join us live. And this is just going to be another great day. I'm going to see y'all then. Deuces. Oh, one more thing. Starting in about, right now it's 11:04, so starting at about 11:30 Central, that's 12:30 Eastern, we're going to have networking, okay? So you actually can log into the live.newyearnewyou conference and go over to the area where it actually says, one second, I'm going to pull it up. It actually is called the lounge. In the lounge, you'll see different tables as well as the opportunity to do some speed networking, but that gives you a chance to connect with some of our speakers and connect with some of the other attendees. All you have to do is click on the table that you want to join and voila, you can network. So make sure you pull up on that as well. And other than that, I will see you guys at New Year, New You Conference. Deuces.